Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me start with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the testing menu of this device. It is *##4636###. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we can check the phone information for two different SIM slots, that's why it is divided, or the Wi-Fi info. So let me start with the Wi-Fi. We can check the status, the configuration, or the API. We can refresh the stats, and as you can see, we've got some technical info like the SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. And the phone information here. As you can see, the email number again, but we can also check the roaming, the data service, voice service, signal strength, etc. We can run ping test here, and here in the three dots icon we've got also the options to enable the data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Of course, I do not have any information right here. It is because I also do not have my SIM card inserted. If you will have one, then it will work for sure. Alright, that will be all. Let me show you another code which will open the calendar information. It is *##225###. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option, the best place to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let me show you the last code, I believe, and this code will open the diagnostic information, the diagnostic mode. It is *##426###. Alright, and for some reason I did not have events, but right now it works. So as you can see, we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and the signal level should also appear. After tapping on events, we can check some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can also show advanced view. Here nothing happened, but we have to tap on the status, and we've got more information, so we can check, for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all, and this is how to use secret codes in your POCO F5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.